Today I'll be going to discussing about the linked list data structure. It is the it is the most important things of link in data structure. So at first I want to say that what is linked list. So linked list is the linked list are linear data structure. You can it is the at first thing it is the linear data structure, you know, and where the element are not stored in a contiguous location and every element in a separate object with a data part and address part. So I'll be explain about the data part and the address part separately in quite later, and then the elements are linked using pointer and address. Each element is known as node, and I'll be discuss about node some later. So now you can see that the uh, you can say that is the structure of linked list, that is the basic structure of linked list. So this is the basic structure. You can see here the a is the data of this node, and b is the data of this node, c is the data, and d is the data or element. So and a is the head node here, and you can see that the a is the head node, and b is the middle node, and c also the middle, and d is the last node here, and I will be going to explain about this. So here I am said that the data part, and here it is the what is the address part. I say that the what is address part and data part. So here you can see that the data part. What is the data part? A is the here a is the data part, and address part is the 10, because it is the rule of the or linked list, which is the our data contains the address of the next node. So you can see that it is 10 is the address of b. 10 is the address of b, it is the assumable value. So we are taking the address of next node, it is the address of next node. You can see that 10 is the address of b, and 14 is the address of c, and 15 is the address of d. So it is the a is the head node, and you can see that the a is the data or element, and b is the also a data and element, c is the also data or element, and d is the also data and element. So it is the introduction video of linked list. For this I cannot go in the very deep or more things. I'll be say here about the basic in this video. So see that the I am written here that the parts of linked list. You can see here that it is the parts of linked list. So at first part is data, and it is the address of next node. And now it is the clear of you know, and that is the so parts of linked list is clear, I think. And let's see again what is the data part. A is the data part of this node, and 10 is the address of next node. Also it is the linear linked list, it is the full of the singly linear linked list, and 10 is the data address of the next node, and 14 is the address of the next node. Each node contains the address of his next node. I am taking here the 4 node, and you can take here the n times of node here, or n times of data here. So each position have a address, so it contains the next address, next node address. It is the rule of the linked list. It is quite uh, beneficial for us for finding the next data or data position of a data. So you can see that in the D node it is written null. You can see that it is written null. You can see that why it is written null, because of it is the end node, it is the tail, it is called the tail node. So you can see that it is D is the tail node or last node here, and it is the because of it is the last node, it hasn't any next value, so it doesn't contain the address of next node. Because of that, here it is the null, because it haven't any next node, and and here it contains a next, it cannot contains the next node. Because of that, it's a null, and at last that is the we are output, that is the null. Because of it means that it is means that it is fully closed, or data is it is the last node of this data, it is symbolized that. So you see here the basic of linked list, and it is the basic structure, it is full of the basic structure, it is the full of basic structure. You can see that it's full of the basic structure of linked list. So now I will be going to something deep. So here you can see that the type of linked list. What is the type of linked list? Linked list is a two or quite in some position it has the 3 or 4 types. So here I will be discuss about the singly linked list and doubly linked list. So what is, at first I discuss about the singly linked list. So what is the singly linked list? Singly linked list is the here you can see the definition, which each element of the linked list contains a pointer which points to the next element in the list. Each element in the singly linked list is called a node. The last node of list contains the pointer of null. Here you can see that the list contains the null. You can see that it is contains the null. Here it is written. You can relate here that the what is singly linked list. This is the singly linked list. This is full of the this is the singly linked list. You see here, and it is carries the all of the characteristics of singly linked list. It contains all of the characteristics of singly linked list. So it is the singly linked list. You can see here it is full of the singly linked list. And here in this video I show also about the basic linked list code. Here you can see that it is the linked list code, and here it is underlined underlined by red color, because of it is the most important things. You see here that import of java.util.linked list, it is the import function of linked list in Java. So I run this Java code, and I see you see the what is the output of the that for from this coding. I think your or concept will be clear, or doubt will be clear. So see this code. So guys, now I am in Eclipse compiler of Java. So here you can see that this is the coding, this is the code, and that is the package of Java. You can see that, and import file also here it is the import file. You can see here this is the import file of linked list, and then is the public class level 0 code. So in some previous video I also introduced Java yourself. So see, you haven't any Java knowledge, see my previous 2 or 3 videos about introduction with Java and basic programming with Java. See the video for your clear the concept. So here it is written that linked list string n equal to new linked list, and open and close bracket, and then semicolon, and then n dot add a, n dot add b, and n dot add 1 and c. Why here it is written the 1 and c? Why? So here it is written 1 because I want that C takes the position of first one position. You also know that the data start from the 0 1 2 3 4. Here start data cannot start from 1. Data or any computer data start from the 0. So in one position I want to print C, and it is quite it takes any position in this data. So I change the printing value here. So here I can read that the code. Oh, sorry. Okay, code with, and here I oh no, code with only. So see the output here, it is ABC printed, and now I will be going to run this programming. So run this programming, that is the code with ONI will be printed. If I change the value of 1 with the here 2, so now see that the what is the output here. So see that the output of this code with ONI, it is contain the second position which is the 0 and 1 position, and it is the second position. So it is the final thing of this video. In next video I will be discuss the next thing of linked list. So see the next part of this linked list. I think this video is helpful. So guys, please like, share, subscribe my video. Thank you.